Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, friends. Welcome back to my channel Quick Recipes. Once again, in today's video we are going to be making pasta, macaroni, crackers, snackers, whatever you wanna call them, and it's really yummy and easy to make. Here I'm using twisted macaroni. You can use whatever you want to use. We're gonna need a pan, add water in it, and put it on a stove on a very high heat. Then when it comes to a boiling point, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of salt. Now when it comes to a high boiling point, we are going to add our macaronis in it. Stir it a bit, and after 9 minutes your macaronis will be done, and we're gonna strain it through a strainer in a sink. Wash it and under cold running water so that it gets a little bit cold and does not sticks with one another. Now you have to keep them, after washing you have to keep them in the strainer for some time so that all the extra water is out of it. And now we have 8 tablespoons of corn flour and 8 tablespoons of all purpose flour. We're gonna sift here in a bowl both ingredients. We're going to sift both ingredients in a bowl, stir it, and add our dried boiled macaronis in it. Mix it this way in a bowl and then add it, put it in a strainer, and then strain it in a strainer like I'm doing over here. So we have to strain it like this so that all the extra all-purpose flour and the corn flour is away and not anymore with this macaroni. Now you can see here I have a karahi with hot oil in it. We're gonna add our coated macaroni in it and fry it. So here is a tip: do not mix it at this point when it's bubbly. Mix it when you can see the macaroni through the oil, and mix it slightly so that you cannot end up with lumps and dirt in the oil. Now you can see my oil is really clean. Here at this point, when you hear the sound of cracking and cracking in your karahi, you can transfer your macaroni pasta in a strainer like this. As you can hear the sound here, it's really obvious that it is properly cooked. Now when it is really hot, you have to add all the masalas in it. Here we've got 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of zira powder, 1 tablespoon of, here I've got 3 mix of herbs, so it is oregano, thyme and basil, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala and 1 tablespoon of paprika powder. Here I have used 1.5 tablespoon of paprika powder, so it gives a nice color in it. Now we're gonna mix all the masalas in one bowl like as is I'm doing here, and then stir it properly. Then we are going to add this masala in a bowl, all the macaronis and the masala in a bowl. Toss it properly. So here we are ready with our red masala crackers. Now here's another one where I added 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala and 1 tablespoon of zira powder, and we're gonna mix it in a bowl like this. Then the third one is 1 tablespoon of basil. Here I'm not using 1 tablespoon, so it's just I've eyeballed it, but you can measure it. I've added thyme in it, and then I like oregano a lot, so I've added oregano. You can make it for kids without the paprika or the red chili powder, so that they can enjoy without any chili. Now mix it properly like I'm doing here. Put a lid on the top and then toss it as is. It's really easy to make and so yummy. You can eat it with tea or coffee. You can see our kurkura crackers are ready in 3 different masalas. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.